Here we are yet again with the 16-inch Lasko oscillating fan from 1995 with the still unidentified clear blades. Still not sure what those are yet. Somebody sent me a link to a fan that had, it was a 12-inch fan that had a blade set that looked like this. I ran a search for that fan. It was some generic name. What was it? It's like the most ridiculous generic name. It was like Cool Masters or Cool Bros or something. I don't remember at all what it was. But I ran a search for that fan in the 16-inch version, and I found one, but it had a different blade set on it. It had the same like badge and design and everything, but it had a blade that was more of a common shape to it. So kudos for finding the 12-inch, but looking for the 16. So as of now, that blade remains unidentified, but I found this blade on Etsy. For whatever reason, I thought that Sears just sourced everything from Lasko, like all through the 90s, 80s and 90s. I thought that maybe they had like some kind of a exclusive deal. I don't know why I would think that, but I found a 16-inch Sears pedestal fan blade from the 90s and bought it thinking that this might be the original blade, and then I quickly figured out that no, in fact this is an SMC blade. But we're gonna try it anyway, see what happens. And just out of curiosity, we're gonna be running through the meter today and make sure that we're within the specifications for the amperes. Yeah, so this fan works really well with this blade set on it. It's almost like a high velocity, it sounds kind of like a high velocity fan. It moves more air than most other 16-inch fans of this style using this blade. I don't know, there's something about it. We'll run it through the speeds real quick. Here's low. There's that shaking. I don't have the grill clips yet, so I'm just using the little pinchy clips. We're at 0.47, fan's rated at 0.9, so we're doing pretty good. It's medium, and we're running at 0.53 at 123 volts. So we're doing pretty good. So obviously this blade works extremely well on this fan. I just don't think it looks right. Just doesn't look natural. I wanted to get a blade that looks a little more natural for this fan. And I thought I found the original blade, but as I said, it's not even a Lasko blade, it's a SMC. So hopefully it even fits on there correctly. I just got it in the mail and pulled it out of the box. Have a little bit of time to make the video, so why not? Here's a good look at this blade. It's a really dense, hard plastic, acrylic type. I don't think it's acrylic, but it's like acrylic. Polypropylene, maybe. I'm gonna set this off over here. So here's the SMC blade. Came off of a Sears 1990s Sears 16-inch pedestal fan. And if this is anything like the 12-inch SMC fan that I have, the blade looks very similar. And one thing I like about this blade is it's kind of heavy, like compared to the Lasko Galaxy blades that are like post acrylic era, where they went to the flexible plastic. This is a little more dense than those blades. This is a little more rigid, a little heavier. I think it might perform a little bit better. We'll see. I know that the 12-inch SMC fan that I have, it has like a really focused wind stream, very powerful too. Good, it fits on there perfectly. It even butted up against the spring pin back there, so that's good. Yeah, that looks about right. I don't know why I thought that this was or could have been a Lasko blade. It doesn't even look right. I should have known better. I mean, the Lasko blades have more of like a sharp tail, like a longer tail on them. This nut fits like perfect though. This fits a lot better than the clear blade. Yeah, if this works out, I'll probably just leave this blade on there. I've got some ideas for that clear blade. I'm thinking about making a fan. I've got enough stuff to do it, I think. Make like a little floor fan or something, I don't know. Okay, here is low. What the heck? Wow, moves a lot of air. It's out of balance though. This has more vibration than the other blade did. Again, the fan's rated for 0.9 amps. On medium now. Definitely moves a lot of air. I don't think it moves quite as much air as the clear blade, but I think it moves more than the Air King. It's kind of somewhere in between. Yeah, it has a really focused, it's just like that 12-inch SMC fan. It has a really focused wind stream, like right down the center. Very strong. See what the low looks like one more time. Low speed is very strong also. High again. we at? I don't remember on high speed. Okay. So that's good. This blade also works very well for this fan. It's just a little out of balance. I would have to secure the guard pretty good to keep the rattle out of it. I'm just going to leave those clips on there for now, but that looks pretty decent. Fits the color scheme. I think this is rated for 0.9 amps. I'm almost positive. Yep. That looks decent. It looks better than the clear blade. I'll probably leave this one on there and get some use out of it here and there. Thanks for watching.